thing that I want to share with you are these Furls crochet hooks. I don't know what they look like yet, but they're in here, and I did buy them on their website for 25% off. So I decided to splurge and buy two. And oh my gosh, I cannot wait. So a few weeks ago, I posted a video asking your opinion about some crochet hooks for arthritic hands, because my hands have been so sore and swollen, and I haven't been diagnosed with arthritis, but they feel very arthritic, and sometimes I can't even bend them at all. And I talked about my thumb issues in that video, and if you want to check that video out, you can go right here and check that out. But I looked at all the comments, and I did see that everyone was loving either the clover hooks or the Furls crochet hooks. And the clover hooks are still quite expensive. I really didn't want to spend a lot of money on the hooks as far as the whole package at once, but to buy a few Furls crochet hooks for me was totally affordable, especially since they had 25% off. And so I decided to buy two. And whoops, I just broke my nail. Where'd it go? Here's my nail. I got to glue that back on. Yeah, because my nails are just glue-on nails that I get from Amazon. And I can leave the link in the description box for my nails. I also do have another video on how to do your nails with the kiss nails. And I have a video right here that I'll post for you. And you can check that out. I did that a few years back, I think maybe 5 or 6 years ago. And I just keep wearing them. I love them. I was a manicurist for over 20 years. And I swear if people knew about these, I probably would have been out of business. I don't know why more people don't use them. They're just so easy to use, and with the nail glue, not the one that comes with the box, but another glue that I get on Amazon is really good. But anyway, I digress, and let's move on. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh, are they both in there? Okay. Okay, so I just want to share with you how much I spent. Okay, so I bought two of them, and they were $36 each. Yeah, I don't have my glasses on. But with the discount, I saved $18. So for both of these hooks, it was $54. So I was really okay with that. I know they are expensive, and I never in my wildest dreams thought I'd ever spend that much money on a crochet hook. But because my hands have been so sore, I thought, what the heck, I gotta try it. But I do have to say that since I made that video, let me get rid of this box. I do have to say, since I made that video, my hands have actually improved over the last few days. And I quit drinking coffee about 4 days ago. I think today might be the 5th day. But I don't know, I think the coffee was making my hands really sore. It just seems kind of odd that I would quit drinking coffee, and then in the last couple days my hands have gotten so much better. So I don't know if that's something that you know anything about. Let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think. Okay, so let me open this, and I'm going to come back after I open it because it's too noisy. So here they are. I haven't opened them yet. Oh, they come in. It looks like mascara. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open. Whoops, I just tore the lid off. But hey, that's okay. Oh my gosh, look at it. It does have sparkles. It's beautiful, and it's heavy. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's not like super heavy, but it's heavy enough. Wow, I'm so excited. And I got this in a size H hook, which I think is a 5 or 5.5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. It is beautiful, and it feels really good in your hand. Better than what I thought it would feel. So in a second, I'll get out some yarn and I'll crochet with it real quick. But in the meantime, I do want to open up the other one. And this one is in their white. Oh, this one comes with a little tag on it. It says, what should we make first? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. It's like a white pearl color. And this one right next to it, the pink and the white. Look how pretty. Oh, I feel so elegant and so fancy. I love this. Wow. So cool. So let me get some yarn. So as you can see, I have a whole bin right here full of yarn. Let's see, I'll try this red one right here. Okay, so I'm going to use this worsted weight yarn. And Let's see. Everybody talks about how easy it works and they just glide through. Oh my gosh, look at that. That feels amazing. Even though it's weighted, it's nice to hold on to it. It's like not slipping out of my hand, and it's, I don't know, I can't even describe it. Like, I feel so lucky to have this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like if I'm going to do a double crochet, let's see. This is great. I don't even have my glasses on, but you get the idea with my broken nail, how it's going to work. It feels really nice. It glides through just perfectly. And honestly, if you can get it on sale, I mean, it was only $25 for each one. Well, like it's 20, how much was that? 25, 67. Oh, $27 a hook with the discount. But anyway, so that works great. And then I have my little tiny one because lately I've been doing amigurumis. And if you can see this right here on my desk, I have two of them. And these are by the Little Cotton Rabbits. And I just finished this yesterday. And it is so adorable. Can you see all the detail on this thing? And I just learned how to knit about 2 years ago. And actually, it's almost exactly 2 years ago. And I have learned so much from making these amigurumis. And they're just absolutely precious. There's the back. I do have a little pom-pom that I'm going to put right here on the back side of her. And this is a girl, and she's going to be all dressed up for the ballet or for a dance or anything. I just made this out of crochet cotton from Hobby Lobby. And I made this little skirt, and I haven't finished it yet, but it's quite large for her. But I think what I'm going to do is put it with a little pinafore over it and have this sticking out as the lace underneath. And I think it's just adorable. And this is a pattern that I made up on my own for the skirt. And then I also have this one. And this was my, whoops, got yarn all over me. This was my very first, well, let me show you like this. This was my very first amigurumi that I've ever made. And this is Little Cotton Rabbits. I made it specifically with a worsted weight yarn and I think a size 5 knitting needle. And I only did that because I really wanted to learn how to do the stitches without doing the really small one. And you can see the difference in size right here. I'll be talking about the amigurumi specifically in another video and kind of go into detail and stuff, but I just wanted to show you what I was working on. And this one I haven't tied off the ends yet, but this is a little reindeer, and he is so cute. He has a little pair of white shorts, and I'll show you a picture of him right here. But so far I've made 3 of these, and they are just so precious. So anyway, if you want to see a video on the amigurumis and go into detail about these and where they're from, which is Little Cotton Rabbits, but give you a little more detail, I can go into that. I also wanted to share with you one more thing, and that was these containers. And these containers are from the Dollar Tree. These came in very handy when I was making these little rabbits because I would just put all the little pieces, like here's the shorts, you know, I could put those in the little bunny tail, and then I could put in my hook if that fit in there. That one fits, the Furls fits. And then I would just put everything in here, so then I could just take it to my bag and throw it in there real quick, and then I just have everything in one bag since they're so small. But these are from the Dollar Tree, like I said, and each container that I got is just perfect. This has a bunch of needles in it, like knitting needles and crochet hooks, and some thread for the noses and stuff like that, and a pair of scissors. And then this one right here, I do have more needles and a little package that they're wrapped in. So they all fit perfectly in these little containers, and you can take them with you, and they were only $1, I think it's $1.25 now, but I went back to get more and they didn't have any. But if you have these at your Dollar Tree, then you might want to pick some up. Oh, and I didn't tell you what size this is. This hook right here is a 2.75, which is a size C in the USA. And so this one is an H, this one's a C, or a 5mm, or a 2.75mm. So they're really beautiful and so well made. I think these are going to last me a long time, like forever. And then I can pass them on to my grandkids or my friends. But anyway, so I just really wanted to share today with you these hooks that I bought. That was really my main purpose of this video, is just to tell you that I got these, and then I will be checking in with you later when I make a project with them. And I hope that you have a blessed day, and thanks again for joining me. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know if you're using these Furls crochet hooks or if you like the clover ones better. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.